Want to automate your futures trading on Bitunix Web? In this guide, we will show you how to set up a futures grid bot directly on the Bitunix website, step by step. First, make sure you have enough USDT available before creating the strategy. Your grid bot uses dedicated funds allocated as margin for that specific bot, so having sufficient available balance is the first step before setup. Next, log in to the Bitunix website and go to the top navigation bar. Click Futures Trading, then switch to the Grid tab in the Trading panel to enter the Futures Grid interface. Choose the trading pair you want to use. In this example, you can select a perpetual futures pair such as BTC-USDT for the grid strategy. Now set your strategy direction. You can choose either long or short depending on your market view. If the strategy is set to long, the bot is designed to buy lower and sell higher as price moves within the selected range. Futures grids can also be configured for short based on your setup. The trading bot is designed to buy high and sell low within the selected price range. After that, define your price range. Enter the lower price and the upper price for the bot. This tells the bot the exact range where it should operate and place grid orders. The web guide defines these as the boundaries where the strategy will place orders. Next, enter the grid quantity. Bitunix allows between 2 and 200 grids. Fewer grids usually mean wider spacing and larger profit per grid, while more grids create tighter intervals and potentially more frequent trades. Now, adjust your leverage and margin. Choose your leverage using the slider or by entering a value directly. Then enter the amount of margin you want to allocate. Bitunix calculates the minimum required margin based on your settings, so your margin must stay above that threshold before the strategy can be created. For extra risk control, you can also enable take profit and stop loss. These are optional advanced settings that allow the bot to stop automatically once your selected trigger conditions are met. This can help manage risk and automate exits based on the levels you define. Once all parameters are ready, click Create. The system will process your setup and launch the bot using your selected price range, grid quantity, leverage, margin, and any optional TP or SL settings. After the bot is created, go to the Robot section in the Contract Trading area. This is where you can view and manage your futures grid, track performance, monitor profit and loss, and review how the strategy is running in real time. Click Details to open the bot overview page. You can also use the menu options to manage settings such as take profit, stop loss, or add margin, and use the share button to share the bot's performance summary. If you want to stop the strategy, go to the bot list and click the red Terminate icon, or open the bot details page and click the red Terminate icon there. Stopping the bot cancels open orders, closes any remaining position based on platform logic, and then returns the remaining funds, including realized P&L after fees if applicable, back to your spot account. After closing the position, the system will take approximately 2 minutes for settlement, and funds will be automatically returned to the spot account. That is how you create and manage a futures grid bot on Bitunix Web. Set your range, define your risk, and let the strategy run automatically within the market conditions you choose.